Namaste, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to 7-day yoga series for busy life. Sit as per your comfortability and let's start with 3 omkars. Keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Take long deep breathe in and out. Do 10 times, both the hands together, like this. One, two, three, four, five clockwise, five anti-clockwise. One, two, three, four, five. Wrist rotation. One, two, three, four, five clockwise. One, two, three, four, five anti-clockwise. Keep your hands on your waist and initially अगर आपका बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा, you can take the support of a wall and go like that. Left side 5 times, right side 5 times. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Then ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये जो इसका नी नॉक्स होता है मेरी तरह और इनर थाइस के लिए बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. क्लॉकवाइज 5 टाइम्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Knees outside and then this Namaskar Mudra. Three, 4. This is Vajrasana. Sit in this way. And with that, you can add today's classes also. For 5 seconds. Take your time. Towards left. This will work for our these two fingers. Use these three fingers. Close your eye. Keep a smile on your face. Right nostril with thumb. We'll start from left. Inhale slowly and take all the positivity. Exhale slowly from the right. Release all the stress, negativity. Inhale from right nostril. Again inhale. Now focus on your breathing. Breathe normally. Slowly open up your eyes. Keep a smile. Do Brahmari. For in this pranayam, the thumb close your ear so that all the outside sounds will not come to you. That is the one sound that is only your sound. Close your eyes. The way I keep my fingers, just put it like that. Breathe in. Relaxing release and just feel the vibration. Do Namaskar Mudra and we will close our today's class with this mantra. Om Sahana Bhavatu Mano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisavahe. Om Santihi Santihi Santihi. Rub your palm and transfer this heat throughout the body. Keep a smile on your face and slowly open your eyes. Namaste, Radhe Radhe. Stay happy and stay healthy. For full videos in this 7-day yoga series for busy life, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.